Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track tags, stickers or images in CapCut. So in here, I'm going to show you the first thing to track. For example, I'm going to track tags. So let's write the tags first. Okay, for example, I'm going to write yum. And after that, here I'm going to change the style and put it in here because I want to track the hand movement. So just click on the tags and then swipe until you find this tracking. I'm going to adjust the duration first to match with the videos. After that, click on tracking and select an object to track. Here I'm going to select the hand like this. Now just click on the start tracking button. So the tracking has been complete and this is the final result. You can see the tags will follow the hand movement or the objects that I selected before. So let's try for a sticker. So I'm going to go to stickers first, and then here I'm going to find one. For example, okay, the stickers right here. Click on a check icon. Also, don't forget to adjust the length. And now I'm going to put it in here. Okay, I'm going to put in here, and here click on tracking again like the tags, and select the object to track. I'm going to track the fork. Click on start tracking and wait for it to finish. So now the tracking is complete. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.